today I'm going to be doing a dramatic cat eye and nude lip. I'm going to start off by priming my skin with my Murad Oil Control Mattifier. I'm just putting that on using my fingers, as always. For foundation, I'm just using my Estee Lauder Double Wear sample. I don't have the full bottle yet because I'm just trying it out. So far I like it. I'm just going to blend that in using this Real Techniques buffing brush. I really like how this foundation wears, but it's just a little bit yellow for my skin. For under eyes, I'm just going to use my Bobbi Brown corrector in the shade Porcelain Bisque. I'm just putting that where I'm dark. And blend that in using your finger. Then I'm going to put my Stroke of Light Bare Minerals concealer on top of that to brighten up the area a little bit more. And I just like to let that set because it's very runny and it's easier to blend after it's been sitting for just a minute. While I'm waiting, I'm going to do my eyebrows using my Anastasia Brow Wiz. This one's in the shade Medium Ash. I want my eyebrows to be a little bit more defined for this look. And I'm just going to set them with my tinted brow gel. Now I'm ready to blend in this under eye concealer. For any blemishes or red spots I have, I'm going to use this Urban Decay 24/7 Concealer Pencil, and this is in the shade DEA. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use my favorite eye primer, my Painterly Paint Pot. I'm just going to put that all over the lid, up to the brow bone. I'm going to set the Painterly Paint Pot using this, nude color in my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. It's called Foxy. And I'm just going to define my crease a tiny bit using this eyeshadow by NYX called Taupe. Okay, so moving on to the liner, I'm just going to be using my Clinique gel liner and just a brush I got from Michael's Arts and Crafts. Any brush that you feel most comfortable with will work just fine. I'm gonna try to do this as best as I can from being somewhat far away from my mirror. I'm used to having it really close up, but I'm gonna do my best. And if I make a mistake, you know, forgive me. If you make a mistake at home, it's not a big deal. Just take it off and try again. It takes a lot of practice. I've been doing this for years and I'm still not the best. So I'm actually going to have a mirror underneath so I can kind of look down and see what I'm doing without compromising your view. So I'm gonna start at the center of my eye. And as I get closer to the inner corner, I want to go very, very thin as possible. Okay, once you have your liner done, then you want to work on the flick. I think the easiest way to do it is to first draw your line and then connect it. I'll show you what I mean. Now I'm going to do quite a dramatic line. If you want to do, you know, a smaller one, a more natural one, that's up to you. But this is just the look that I'm doing today. A good rule of thumb to get an even flick on both sides is to follow your lower lash line all the way up. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so once I've drawn my desired shape, I'm gonna then fill it in. Okay, now you're gonna try and do the exact same thing to the other eye. If it doesn't match completely, that's okay. Nobody's eyes are the same exact shape. Mine certainly aren't, so you just do the best you can. I'm left-handed, so it's always harder to do my right eye. But it's the same rules, you just have to kind of hold the brush differently. Okay, I'm going to curl my lashes. Then I'm going to put tons of mascara on using my favorite Eyeko skinny brush. Okay, mascara is done, so I'm going to do false eyelashes. These are by Ardell. They're the Demi Pixies. Okay, while I'm waiting for the eyelashes to dry, I'm just going to powder my face using my MAC Blot Powder in the shade Light. Okay, I'm going to contour the cheeks using MAC Harmony and my little contour brush. This is the MAC, I think it's 139, it's kind of rubbing off. Just contouring a little bit around the forehead. And around the jawline. And blend down the neck. And for lips, I'm just going to keep it simple with Hue by MAC, which is my favorite nude lip. And that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.